All right, guys. Well, I'm here with Bunkroom. What are you guys?
180.
Bunkroom 180 of a team name?
Cabin Crew Kids.
The Cabin Crew Kids. So you guys have been working on a board game as part of our build up to camp. Tell us first of all, give us the lowdown. Explain your game. What's it about? What do you have to do?
What you really have to do, you really just have to get it back to school.
Yep.
So like there's sign of the bellbird, reach camp, there's low ropes, adventure stream and
bouldering. Awesome. So why these ones are? It's very colourful, but these ones all are different with a black dot. Can you explain that?
They're the checkpoint, and it doesn't matter if you have you can go past it, but you can't. You have to stay on it, and then you have to
stop on each one.
Yeah, you have to pick up a card, and
And you have to do an activity. So tell me about the cards. So let's say I land on Adventure Stream here.
Yeah.
What do I have to do?
well you get some
Pick up a card for me. Which one would I pick up?
Adventure stream.
Okay.
This one says you fail while abseiling.
Ooh.
That means you miss 2 turns and you have to roll or an R8.
An R8. What's an R8, Xander? What does that mean?
So on your card,
What's that card? Show me that card. Oh, character card. That's pretty sweet. Is that you?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah.
So here's mine. You can give yourself maximum of. You have 15 stars, and you've got to share them out between all of these, and then
All of those, all of your smarts. Can I have a look at that? Right, so you've given yourself 2 stars for socially adept, 4 for motivated, 3 for articulate, 3 for resilient, and 3 for tinker. So you've got thinker, not tinker. So you've got 3 for resilient. And what did the card say again?
It says you fail while absent, miss 2 turns or roll an R8.
R8. So you've got 3 stars for R. So what would happen?
I would have to roll a 5 or a 6.
Because 5 plus 3 makes up the 8. So if you roll a 1, 2, 3, or 4, you would have to miss those 2 turns. Is that right?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. So the different cards have different things, and everyone show me your character card. So everyone's character card's a little bit different, and so you got to decide how smart you were based on your strengths. So you've got 2 stars for socially adept, but you're ultra resilient. I see. Is that your special power? Nice. What's your special power, Ben? Thinker, you're an ultra thinker. Not so flash at articulate or resilient though. Is that how it works? Because you can't just make yourself flash at everything, can you, Ben?
Yeah.
Why not?
But you only have 15 points.
Yeah, okay, so you had to prioritise. Yeah, you had to spread it out and see how you were. Okay, so I'm playing my way around this game. I'm getting around. What are some of these extra special things? There's some other there's these question cards, there's a compass here, there's some stuff written. Tell me about that.
So these question cards are chance cards,
Mm-hmm.
and you pick one up and see what you get.
So if you're caught playing Cluedo at 12 o'clock, Miss Turns, after escaping Bunkroom D. Oh, okay. Have you got a Bunkroom D somewhere here? Oh, that's like jail, is it?
And then you've got another one here.
Oh, another one there? So tell me about Bunkroom D.
So if you roll, say you're here, and
Yep.
you roll a 4,
Mm-hmm.
you stay on here, and I'm pretty sure,
It's like visiting.
yeah.
Oh, you gotta like a Monopoly kind of, yeah. Just visiting. But if you get sent to Bunkroom D,
If you get sent to Bunkroom D, this is the Bunkroom D that you have to get sent to.
oh yeah.
And I think.
So tell me about what is Bunkroom D at camp?
So Bunkroom D is, if you be naughty, you go into Bunkroom D because Bunkroom D is always empty.
Right.
Solitary confinement. Yeah. So you have to sleep on a bunk, and there's usually some adults in there watching you. So.
Right, so that's only if we misbehave at night time. Okay, cool. So you've got that on your game. That's quite funny as like the little consequence. Is there anything we've missed on your game that you want to tell me about?
So we have shortcuts.
Yep.
So if you're at outdoor survival
Mhm.
and you finish your card
Yep.
and you roll a 1, you go to here, and on
Ah.
your next turn you're allowed to go through the shortcut.
Nice,
And the
okay.
shortcut is a shortcut.
The shortcut is a shortcut, a quicker way. And how do you win this game? How do you win it at?
By getting back to Summerfield.
By completing the camp and making it back to Summerfield School. Yeah. Awesome. Okay, so we've been doing this project for a couple of weeks now, working on this game. Why do you guys think And hands up for this question. Why do you guys think that we've spent so much time on this board game as we've prepared for camp? Yeah?
Maybe because we want it to be like camp, and so if people have fears, the board game can help them like
Get over that.
get over their fears.
Yeah, just talk about them, I suppose. It's not, I mean, you're still going to have some fears and worries when you're actually doing the abseiling or whatever the task is, but it helps you just talking about them, doesn't it? And thinking about what could happen during the game. Anything else? Any other reason we might have spent?
Because it's fun.
Yeah, it's a bit of fun.
It is lots of fun.
Yeah. And you guys now know all of the things that are going to happen to us on camp, right? We know about all the activities we're going to be doing. You kind of are prepared. You know what's coming, right? And one of the ways that we deal with our fears and worries and stresses is it's important to actually know what's coming up. So, overall, we're going to bring this game to camp. We're going to have a bit of a play on it. Are you guys excited to play your camp game at camp on one of the nights? Yeah, it's going to be lots of fun. Who's looking forward to camp next week? Woo!
It's on Monday.
It's on Monday, all right. On 3, what's your Bunkroom name again? Camp Crew Kids. Okay, on 3, Camp Crew Kids. Go. 1, 2, 3.
Camp Crew Kids.
CCC.